2010 Chevy Equinox, 4-cylinder, 2.4 liter. Anyways, what we got done it, got factory manifold converter there, secondary converter there, flex pipe, then 2.5 inch pipe all the way back, and you guys talking about our wells, but okay, whatever. Anyways, they took a resonator out a while back. I don't know who did it, and I don't want to go there. Anyways, and then what we did is we took the muffler out, and he wanted center stainless steel muffler. We said, why not? We'll get her done for you. So we put him a stainless steel muffler with an oval tip right in the center, right there. It looks badass. Hope you guys like it. Tell us what you guys think in the comments of this setup and sound once we bring it down to you guys. Anyways, you have to stick it out a little bit more because of that lip, as you guys can see. And then there's the stock muffler that was on it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Look at that beast. That's different. I like it. Oh yeah, that sounds good too. Chevy Equinox. Sound decibels? Again? I like it. Go ahead and back it up. We just finished this Bronco too. Check out that old classic 77 Bronco. Did a transmission, we put the exhaust back on for him. There it is. Anyways, go ahead. It's got rims, blacked out lights. Not bad, not bad. What do you guys think? Let us know.